Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology for Neet. We'll cover essential strategies to help you master the subject. First, it's crucial to thoroughly understand the Neet biology syllabus. Next, prioritize topics based on their weightage and your personal difficulty. Developing a consistent study schedule, perhaps dedicating 2 to 3 hours daily, will ensure steady progress. Remember, focus on conceptual clarity rather than just memorizing facts. The insert textbooks are your absolute foundation for Neet biology. Read each chapter not just once, but multiple times to ensure a deep and thorough understanding of every concept. As you read, make concise notes, perhaps 1 page per chapter, summarizing key concepts, definitions, and important diagrams. Don't forget to highlight crucial facts, examples, and scientific names directly in your textbook for quick review. To make your study sessions more effective, incorporate active learning techniques. Use flowcharts and diagrams to visualize complex biological processes like photosynthesis or respiration. Practice active recall by regularly testing yourself without looking at your notes. A great method is to teach concepts to a friend or even an imaginary audience. This truly solidifies your understanding. Remember to break down large topics into smaller, more manageable sections. Consistent practice and revision are paramount for Neet biology success. Aim to solve at least 50 to 75 multiple-choice questions daily from various sources. Crucially, analyze your mistakes from practice tests to pinpoint weak areas and improve them. Dedicate specific time slots, perhaps 2 hours every weekend, to regularly revise all previously studied chapters. Finally, attempt full-length mock tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.